Hi guys, Sourdough Kathy here, and last night we went down to 37 degrees. That doesn't mean we're 37 degrees where I live, but where they take the temperature out at the airport. But I am not going to take a chance of letting the last of my potatoes freeze, and those are the last 3 buckets of chitted skins. So I'm going to do this last one. That doesn't mean there aren't going to be a few more potato videos that I took prior to this, but this is the last chitted potato one. So I'm going to grab one here, and I wanted to show you something for those of you who may not know anything about potatoes. But not only, I would imagine that people of old figured out that it was very difficult to find to be able to reproduce potatoes from these things. And these are seeds that grow on the plant of the potato, and I sure hope you can see this. So, and these are very, very poisonous. You don't want your animals to get a hold of them, and you don't want kids to get a hold of them, or yourself. So, here we go. Gonna take off the greens here and see what we got. One bucket, I don't know how much we're gonna get because it seemed to have taken a very long time to grow anything. So this one is a 5-gallon bucket that was only about maybe 4 gallons full. Ooh, I can feel one already. Oh yes. There we go, getting some potatoes. Oop, they're on a hill here, obviously, running downhill. I am very pleased with the fact that these chitted potatoes are giving me much larger potatoes than regular ones. I gotta be a little careful here, kind of. Look at that. Beautiful sized potatoes. I mean, this is your store-bought sized potatoes, especially organics. And this one is gorgeous. And these are my favorites with the white mixture. I'm sure you can see that. Oh, you know what? I don't think this one was a chitted one. This one was an actual little potato, so my bad. Somehow these all got turned around, but I'm not going to complain. That was a very small potato. So we'll see how much we got anyway, because it's still a potato, or a bunch of potatoes, but I still have to say these are gorgeous. Okay, Dave is gonna weigh them out for me because I'm too much of a rush to give you an answer. So while he does that, I'm gonna throw another pot up. This one I know is a chitted skin.
Pounds, 12 ounces.
2 pounds, 12 ounces from that little tiny potato. Not bad at all. And they are extremely nice potatoes. Not a bunch of little ones, which is really great. We'll see what we get today on this one. And I figured something out too. You know, I keep saying that it's my favorite potato. I realized that the ones that I like the most have a white flower on them instead of a purple flower like the Alaskan Reds do. So that was something for me to take a while to figure out. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got the same kind. I must have had more of these than I thought I had. But they were from last year's harvest. I don't know how I managed to keep them so long. Nice sized potatoes too, even in this little bucket. And I did let these go a little bit longer than everything else, but that was because, look at that is a nice potato. I mean, it's the palm of my hand again. I hope you can see that. And we're gonna make sure this time that it was a chitted potato. I'm almost positive. Because I did have them all, yeah, it was. So I am correct, it is the chitted potato. That's the skin where it got cut across. And you see something about these? They don't melt for some reason like a potato does. So it does, I think that's why they may grow better, because they don't turn into all this mush and all the energy's taken out of them. It goes right into making roots. So let's see how much, boy, that's a gorgeous potato. They have a little bit of crackling on them, and I think that that's just due to being in a very, very damp environment. I have the other ones from yesterday sitting out on drying here. I'm going to take a look and see if that's healed up. Let's see, Dave, how much does that weigh?
You got 2 pounds exactly.
Exactly 2 pounds out of a piece of skin. You can't beat that for anything. Now this one took forever to do anything, and as you can see, there isn't a lot of foliage here, so I don't even know what to expect with this one. And this was the one I did my, oh my goodness, this was the one I did my potting up. You see that? Just pulled it out, and it's got all this on it. That is absolutely awesome. They're right in the middle, that's why you couldn't see anything. And there's still some down in there too. Wow, and I didn't think there was much of anything in here. Don't want my scissors getting all fungicide. Now that's just this is an 11 by 10 pot. So it's not a big pot, guys. Doesn't take a lot to grow potatoes. And even if it's just a pound, that's from a piece of skin and just a little bit of soil, it can't be beat. Alrighty, that's about that. Like I said, there wasn't much there, but considering the size of the pot and the fact that there was no foliage on it, I think it's not bad at all. Feels nice sized. Let's see what we got.
1 pound and 8 ounces.
1.5 pounds for a piece of skin in a little tiny pot. And so that'll be it, guys. That's it for the chitted potato, and I will get up some more videos. Hope you enjoy this content. I know that I looked at my last night's video and there was 75 views already, and I only have, I think, 300 people. So I just want to say thank you to all of you that watch, all my subscribers, everyone. Don't forget to give me a comment, a like, a check, a subscription, whatever you feel like doing. Take care now. I love you all. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.